Justin Vierra here, coming to you with your late summer Sacramento real estate update. I'm excited to share all the recent trends, so let's dive right in. First up, in regards to home values, median price in Sacramento seemed to hit its seasonal peak for the year. So we're just at 560,000 as a median price. That's up slightly month over month and is 2% higher compared to this time last year, and just off of 3% from our peak seen in 2022. So what we're seeing in the market, if you're a seller, is that home values have stabilized from the market correction seen after interest rates increased. And we've steadily increased home values over nearly the last 2 years since that change. So there's a steady market value out there. Well, what I think everyone should know is that market prices are stable. So after mortgage rates increased and prices came down a bit, we have steadily grown by a few percentage points each year. And so market value is stable, whether you're a seller or buyer in the market area. And we're actually only 3% off of the peak price. So overall, home values are good and they're growing in a consistent, stable pace. So if you're a seller, it feels good. If you're a buyer, it does relieve the pressure that you're not going to get overpriced or priced out of a certain market or neighborhood. And that also reflects in the cadence of the market, because it is a rather patient market, because on sort of the buy side, you're not feeling like ultra motivated in a certain way, because whether you buy now or maybe you buy in a few months from now, the prices are relatively the same. What's interesting about the market right now is that we're seeing inventory shrink, yet days on market is expanding just a little bit. Normally, when inventory decreases, it compresses the market so that days on market shrink, but also you see offers become more aggressive. It becomes a more competitive market, and you see home values rise at a higher rate. But right now, we're not seeing that. What we're seeing is a more gradual rise to home value, and also it taking a little bit longer to sell a home. And the reason that that is happening is because even though inventory is decreasing, we're actually listing a lot more homes this year compared to last year. In fact, about 40% more homes coming to market this year compared to last year. But keep in mind, last year was nearly an all-time low except for 2007. Yeah, based on the way that the market is currently acting, I think if you're the kind of buyer who's sort of opportunistically or likes to time a market, I think the next 6 months in the Sacramento real estate area is going to be pretty interesting, because typically seasonality affects the home value price to your advantage, and there could be less demand in the market, meaning less competition, and you might be able to get a good price at the terms that you prefer if homes are taking a little bit longer to sell. Now, if you're a seller looking at selling your home in the fall and the winter, it's still okay. But of course, this is a price sensitive market, so it's important that your home price is on point and that your home is prepared and staged very well. Because it is a price sensitive market, you don't want to give the perception that your home needs extra work or extra investment in order to make it livable, because people, oddly enough, they will not negotiate with you. They'll wait for you to make a price change, and then they will come to you with an offer. So again, really a pretty stable yet very patient market. I would say that, if it's not compelling, it's not selling in today's market. And so whether you're thinking about buying or selling in, say, in the next 3 or 6 months, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to, discuss your goals and help you navigate the intricacies of the real estate market. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Why not?